Hello everyone, DevilDude here, and today I am back with another video. Today we are taking a look at the 13th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. So, before we get into it, I just want to wish you all a Happy New Year. I hope you celebrated it with lots of friends and family, you had fun, you enjoyed yourself, and well yeah, that's what I did at least, and my brother got me this. So, knowing I'm a huge Doctor Who fan. So, here we go. So, we have the packaging, which is similar to the previous ones, except the TARDIS here. And it's with the new Doctor Who logo. So, it says 13th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver, ages 5 and up. So with new, what does it say? Diagnostic sound effects and, well, yeah, electronic lights and sounds. Some of this gibberish about batteries and stuff. Yeah, see inside sleeve for more instructions. I can't see it, but hey. It has a nice window which shows the Sonic, so you can see the emitter there and one of the buttons and the other there. You can see it, only the bottom part, but that's okay. So yeah, here you see it activated in a picture. So yeah, that's it actually for the packaging. So yeah, let's open it up, shall we? So, here we have the Sonic itself. It has a really cool design. I haven't seen the 13th Doctor in action yet because, yeah, here in Belgium, Doctor Who is like, you can't watch it. Like, nowhere at all. So, yeah, I haven't seen her in action yet. I really want to, but, yeah, just... If you know ways to watch Doctor Who, let me know, okay? So, yeah, so sometimes it starts glowing like this. I have no idea how to activate that though. Oh, well, guess that does it. I don't know. Can't turn it off though. So, yeah, I like the design. The transparent pieces there. Really cool. The shape as well. And I like how they really hit the battery compartment well. So it's like this thing here, that bottom part here. So this is the battery compartment, but yeah, it's really well hidden. You see one screw right there, and then if you look closely, so here you so you have like a number printed here. Here, sorry. Here, if you look really closely, there's some letters there, but it just said Doctor Who logo, blah blah blah. So such legal stuff. This is how it sounds like and how it looks like when it's activated. I like how you hear the little click in the beginning and the end, so listen closely. I like it. So now for the hidden sounds, of course. So the, I don't know, broken Sonic sound. And that's the new sound they said. So yeah, that's the Sonic. I really like it. So yeah. Time for comparison to my other Sonics. So, here we have all of my Sonic screwdrivers. Here I have my new one. And, well, let's take a look at the size, okay? So, first up we have this one. So, the new one is slightly smaller. If I put it against him, see, just... not a lot. So as for my 10th Doctor Sonic, so if we take a look, it's bigger, but wait, this one can be extended. So here we go in extended mode. And then the new screwdriver is smaller. Next up is this thing. Well, surprise! It's a lot bigger than this one. So, yay! Next is my real. Well, it says 12th Dr. Sonic, but I use it as 11th because it's, yeah, you know, the same one. So here we go. This one is bigger than the new one. And in extended mode, it will be bigger as well, but I just want to show you how much bigger. So yeah, that's quite a lot. So yeah. And now for the last, my 12th Dr. Sonic screwdriver. And that one is bigger as well. So yeah. So here you have a look at all my Sonic screwdrivers. So yeah, my collection is slowly but steadily improving. And to finish off, I just want to say I really like this Sonic screwdriver. I like the look, I like those lights, which I don't know how to activate actually. But I like it. See, now they don't activate with this thing. So yeah, I really like it. It's a cool addition to my collection, and yeah, I'm really grateful my little brother got me this for my new year. So yeah, and again guys, a very happy new year, and as always, see you soon.